Okay, 2 more of those. Let's see if I can pull anything out for 6, 23, and 7, and I cannot. So what I'm going to do is make it a 4 term. So I'm going to split this out. So that's where you do 6 times 7 is the 42. 21 times 2 is 42, and 21 plus 2 is 23. So I think these have to both be negative, because a negative plus a negative is a negative, and a negative times a negative is a positive, and we need a positive. Okay, so 6x squared minus 2x minus 21x plus 7 equals 0. Now I can factor that way, 2 and 2. So I'm going to pull out 2x, and that leaves me with 3x minus 1. This is going to give me, I'm going to pull out a negative 7. That will give me a 3x minus 1. Since these two are in common, I'm going to put 3x minus 1 and then 2x minus 7. Now you can solve for your x's by each piece. So we have 3x minus 1 equals 0, 2x minus 7 equals 0. So add 1, 3x equals 1, divide by 3, x equals 1/3. Add 7, I get 2x equals 7, divide by 2, x equals 7/2. So your final for this one, I'm going to put it up here, is 1/3, comma 7/2. So again, you have to be able to identify how to factor these out, factor it the best way, and then solve for 0. So this one, it's another 3 term. I can't pull anything out for 12, 35, and 18. So I'll do it the 4 way again. 12 times 18 is 216. 27 and 8, I believe. Oops. Yeah, it's 216. So we'll use 27 and 8. I need negative 35, so if I make both of those negative, it'll give me my negative 35. And these two were positive, and a negative times a negative is a positive, so that's what I'll use. So 12x squared minus 8x minus 27x plus 18. So group and group. So this group, I'm going to pull out a 4x, leaving me with 3x minus 2. This group will pull out a negative 9, leaving me with 3x minus 2. Because those match, those go out front. And now you can solve each piece. So 3x minus 2 equals 0. Add 2. 3x equals 2. Divide by 3. So x equals 2/3. And then 4x minus 9. Add 9. 4x equals 9. Divide by 4. X equals 9/4. So your final is 2/3, 9/4.